Hey, you won't believe about this reset process on the AirPods 4. So, we have to first of all close the case with both earbuds inside for around 30 seconds. But honestly, you don't have to wait that much. Just for a few seconds and then open it. And now, what do we have to do? We have to double tap 3 times under this indicator. Take a look. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And now it should actually turn as amber, but it is not working always. This is like so strange. Why they didn't actually input like this, button, this simple button to pair or reset, like with AirPods first, second, third generation, AirPods Pro second generation. It's annoying because it's not working always, but let's try one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. And it's still not working. So let's do this again. With bigger delay. Still not working. Let's close, let's try one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There we go. Right now it works. So as you can see, this is actually how we can perform the reset of AirPods 4. Not sure why Apple actually didn't input here button. Like in every earbuds you can find something like this, earbud to pair or reset. But now they try to actually invent something new, so they apply the touch sensor on the charging case that is not working properly. This is so strange, but yeah, by the way, this is how we can perform the reset on the AirPods 4. I hope that it was useful for you, and please subscribe to my channel.